Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we check Bluetooth device name in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to check guys your Bluetooth device name in your Redmi phone, so how can we check? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So let's see guys how can we check Bluetooth device name in Redmi mobile. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it first, you can see guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here and guys first of all on your phone Bluetooth setting and guys click on device name. So guys you want to check your device name, so you can check from here. You want to rename this device name, so guys you can rename also if you want. So like that guys we can check and guys we can rename our Bluetooth device name in Redmi phone. And guys you can on and off your phone Bluetooth setting also from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.